This is Patrick Roth, Senior Support Technician for Your Business Solutions. Today we're going to look at WinSCPnet and using it in the FTP and an error that you might run across. The SmartConnect out of the box, SmartConnect 21 out of the box, will allow you to create an FTP or an SFTP connection using the built-in connection. And that works pretty well, but sometimes, depending on your needs, you might end up needing to use WinSCP as we've done in 2018 in previous versions of SmartConnect without that built-in connector. And this is the blog article on our download site that talks about it and using it either in 21 or 2018. They're basically the same steps, the code's the same, they're just some slight pathing differences. I did run across a problem recently. A person was following these steps and missed a critical step, which did allow an error in SmartConnect. So we'll go through that real fast. And so after installing WinSCPnet, they went per the article to look at the script namespace, and they needed to add that to this table. Now you can load from GAC or load from file. I would recommend those always loading from the GAC because it will pull either from the Windows GAC itself or in the probing path that .NET uses, or you can load from a file. But again, I would do it from the GAC. And so in this case, they went in and added the WinSCPnet per the error article, and then they ended up getting an error, could not load assembly. Now you might think, hey, I did load this, why are we getting this error? And the reason we end up with this error is because .NET can't find it. When a .NET application is looking for a DLL that's being referenced, in this case, we're trying to reference this assembly here, it does actually look in the Windows GAC, the C Windows GAC folder, and it spins through there looking for the name you typed in. And it also looks in the local directory of the application, which in this case is the SmartConnect folder. And so when I did this, it couldn't find it. And now the reason why that happened, because they missed a critical step, as I noted. After we get past the install piece, it says you also made sure to put the files in these folders. And this one is the root default SmartConnect 21 installation folder, and then if we were 2018, it's the same path, just x86. And so they had missed that little step. So if I had copied it and pasted it into my SmartConnect folder, and so we're going to put it in. We could actually load it into the GAC ourselves. You can use the GAC util, or you can use some coding to do this, but I'll just throw it into the load folder. That's most easy. If we had other applications that were going to use it, programmatically, putting in the GAC is the smartest way, but this is a good way to do it. And we do have to shut down SmartConnect 21 and relaunch. For some reason, it doesn't check a second time, so it won't work, even though the file is there. So we'll exit and relaunch. Okay, we're finally inside SmartConnect again, and we'll go to the script namespaces, and we're going to add our DLL. This time we'll notice it found it. It did find just the one namespace in it in that DLL. We'll add the selected, and we do notice that it added it to the list. And if we press OK, from now on, when we try to compile scripts, it will now include this assembly in the default configuration, and will be able to be used in any .NET coding that we write.